Hello YouTube, this is one piston engine help, and this is Briggs & Stratton engine off of a lawn mower, pushing mower, whatever you want to call it. Right here is the air filter. It's got a metal cap actually, and this is the priming button right there. See if the spark plug is loose. Take that out and show you. No, never mind. It's not loose right now. It's a pretty good looking engine, but it's really old. Right there, the crankshaft, and you can change the oil in it. It's a pretty nice engine. Just needs some work. The pull start is off of it right now. Took that off because I'm not sure what's wrong with it yet. But as you can see, the engine is tilted sideways. So, yeah, I think I might need to take the air filter off and clean that out. But yeah, so that's the engine. There's the fins and everything. Cool the engine like that. So yeah, that's the engine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.